2020 is now hindsight, thankfully. And as awful as that year was on so many different levels, this may not surprise you. There were more billion-dollar weather disasters in 2020 than in any other year in the 40 years that these records have been kept. In fact, there were $22 billion disasters, far and away over the 40-year average of $7 billion disasters a year. Total price tag last year, $95 billion, and 262 people lost their lives. 8 of those events affected Alabama. The $7 billion tropical events is the most in 1 year since NOAA started keeping track of the cost of disasters. Hurricane Sally alone produced $3 billion in damage. Then there was Zeta. The 2020 Atlantic hurricane season produced an unprecedented 30 named storms, with 12 making landfall in the U.S. Besides the record hurricane season, there were 10 severe weather events, including that massive 100-plus mile-an-hour wind event in the Midwest called a derecho, which caused $11 billion in damage. It covered 770 miles. And then there was the Easter Sunday super tornado outbreak, which produced an incredible 140 tornadoes over 10 states across the South. 16 of those tornadoes were at least EF3s, 3 were EF4s. 2020 is now the 6th consecutive year of 10 or more billion-dollar weather disasters. We can only hope that 2021 is a much better year and more tranquil. This is Blue Water Chief Meteorologist Rich Thomas for the Alabama News Network.